Cody Stepp here, co-founder and CEO of Workflow Secrets. One of the most common concerns we hear from agents and teams when it's time to migrate systems is just how the process is handled. So today, let's talk about it. This year alone, we've helped dozens of businesses migrate from their legacy system to SAM. So whether you're a new single agent with maybe just a few hundred leads, or you're a multi-agent team with thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of leads being managed and distributed across your entire team, we've helped another business sitting exactly where you are right now. Teams of all sizes in every season of real estate, from busy spring and summer months to fall and winter when the market starts to slow and business prep really needs to begin. So no matter the time of year, we're confident we can help you too. From Realvolve to Follow Up Boss, Zillow Premier Agent, BoldTrail, Command, Open to Close, and even scattered spreadsheets. If your current system isn't keeping up, agents from these systems are already flocking to SAM, and our team has worked tirelessly to make this part as pain-free as possible. So here's how it works. Well, it all starts with good data. The old saying is garbage in, garbage out. And that's never been more important than in the age of AI, when good data means sharing details that your system can use to aid you in your business. Now, we can dive into that a little bit later, but I have a question for you. When was the last time you sat down, you looked through your database, and you made sure all of your data was nice and clean? Well, even if that's been at the bottom of the list, no worries. All you need to get started is an exported CSV or spreadsheet of your database. And in some cases, we actually directly integrate with those CRMs so we can help you migrate that data directly into SAM. I would encourage you to book a one-on-one chat with our team to see if this is something that we could do if yours is on the list. It makes the process so easy. Once you have that data, SAM is going to make it easy to actually get it into the system with AI-assisted imports that are going to pre-map all of the data that it can for you. Then once it's inside the database, you can easily review and update and look through all of your information to make sure it's nice and current. What this means is you have the ability to filter your contact list, quickly review, update, and add information, and you can even create further refined lists using additional filters inside your filtered lists. This small quality of life has helped reduce countless hours of customer time, as well as our team, who also uses SAM, while helping ensure that everyone's database is squeaky clean and ready for that next chapter. Now, some agents prefer tapping in the expert during this process. So if you need a little bit of help, we offer concierge support setup packages. If this is you, you can get started by booking that one-on-one chat with our team about your specific needs. We can discuss cost and availability of these services. Simply reach out to help@workflowsecrets.info and let us know you're interested in chatting about that concierge support setup package. If you've migrated systems in the past, however, you might feel up to the task with just a little bit of help. You can get started today by starting a free trial by visiting sam.workflowsecrets.info, or you can sign up for SAM and get access to several different packages and program offers. No matter where you and your team are in the migration process, we're really excited to help you successfully complete this critical next step. Once you have all your data inside SAM, just like so many others in our community, we know you'll never want to leave for another system. I can't wait to see you inside.